Hello world, Ochaun Marshall here with an unboxing video for BSidesOK. Now, there are multiple reasons that you need to speak at your local B-Sides, whether it's finding technically focused talks that'll actually help you be a better practitioner, whether it's just giving back to the community, and there's an unspoken third reason, and that is because you can get some of the best swag ever at your local B-Sides. So another thing I got from BSidesOK was just this awesome Vaporwave t-shirt that I just really fell in love with. And of course, this is just one of many examples of really cool t-shirts. I just want you to know, like, pretty much all the casual wear in my closet is just conference t-shirts. But if you're bored of t-shirts, there's other little goodies here, like this flask I got from BSidesRDU that, of course, it is always filled with water and or fruit juices with my name, of course, in the embossed on the back, and other little goodies like Bsides Atlanta gave me a flashlight, which was really cool, and Bsides Calgary, nice little headset. So upping the audio quality of my video calls when I don't want to do all this studio setup like I would do for videos. So I have no idea what's inside here, and we'll just take a peek and see what's in it. Alright. Blood Owl. It's going to be BSidesOK. Going to be April 8th, 2022. That sounds fun. As well as, of course I have one of these. But it's this little whiteboard eraser. That's really fun to use. And what else? There is the Tumble Game Tower. So some quick, I guess, a quick game of Jenga, which is cool. And I really like this year's theme. That's like more of a green matrix color. So I've got this BSidesOK badge, which I'll just definitely add that to my badge collection. Some cool stickers. So B-Sides. And I'm trying to find out, it's just like, okay, I need to find something to do like with all of my conference stickers. Because I've got a whole bunch of them, and I really want to like have a sticker wall, but I just don't want to put them on my laptop, you know. And of course, as always, pens, decent working pens. So yeah, thank you to everyone, all the volunteers, everyone that helped put together B-Sides 2020 and B-Sides 2021. I am definitely loving this green color. I will definitely use this t-shirt and just add this to the collection. So, announcing B-Sides Oklahoma, April 8th, 2022. Hopefully I'll be accepted to speak then, and hopefully I'll see some of you all there as well.